Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cat litter boxes of 2026, tailored to make your feline friend feel right at home while keeping your space fresh and clean. Cat litter boxes have evolved significantly, and finding the perfect fit for your cat can be a game changer. From odor control to ease of cleaning, we've got you covered with the best options on the market. Stick around as we explore features, benefits, and a few downsides so you can make an informed choice for your furry companion. 2-pack stainless steel cat. Litter boxes. XL. Large metal litter box with high sides lid. Odor. Free litter pan. Includes scoop, easy cleaning, anti-scratch, kitty cat box, anti-urine leakage, non-sticky. This 2-pack stainless steel cat litter boxes is perfect for cat owners looking for convenience and durability. The XL size provides ample room for your feline to move around comfortably, while the high sides help contain litter scatter. The stainless steel material is not only easy to clean, but also resistant to odors and scratches, making it a long-lasting option. One pet owner shared that these litter boxes saved her from constant replacements thanks to their sturdy design. However, the larger size may not fit well in smaller spaces, so be sure to measure your area before purchase. Stainless steel cat litter box. Odor-free, metal litter box with high sides lid, open top, low entry litter pan. Include scoop, easy cleaning, anti-scratch. Kitty cat box, anti-urine leakage, non-sticky. Coming in at number 4, the stainless steel cat litter box is a fantastic choice for both kittens and adult cats. With its open top and low entry design, it's especially suited for older cats or those with mobility issues. The high sides prevent litter from spilling over, while the stainless steel construction ensures an odor-free experience. A customer noted how easy it is to clean, even with multiple cats using it. However, some might find that the open top doesn't contain smells as effectively as enclosed designs. Stainless steel, litter box with lid, front entry top exit, kitty litter box, extra large, enclosed metal cat box with litter scoop and litter mat. Black ranked third, the stainless steel litter box with lid is designed for cats who prefer a bit of privacy while doing their business. The front entry and top exit design allows for easy access without compromising on containment. This extra-large box is ideal for larger breeds or multiple cats, and it comes with a litter mat and scoop, making it a complete package for cat care. Owners rave about its durability and ease of cleaning, although the enclosed space could retain some odors if not cleaned regularly. Stainless steel litter box. XL enclosed. Cat litter boxes with lid for big cats, high-sided, anti-urine leakage, non-stick bottom, and includes litter mat and metal scoop. At number 2, we have the stainless steel litter box, perfect for big cats who need more room. With high sides to prevent spills and an enclosed design to contain odors, this litter box is both functional and stylish. The non-stick bottom ensures that waste doesn't cling to the sides, making cleaning a breeze. Users appreciate the included litter mat and scoop, which adds extra convenience. However, its size may pose a challenge for smaller living spaces. Arm & Hammer Large. Sifting litter box. Scoop. Free cat. Litter tray with microban, made in USA. Taking the top spot is the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting litter box, which features an innovative design that allows for easy sifting and cleaning without the hassle of a traditional scoop. The microban technology helps to reduce odors and bacteria, ensuring a fresher environment for your cat. This litter tray is perfect for busy pet owners, as it requires less frequent cleaning compared to others. Cat owners love how quickly they can maintain cleanliness, though some found the sifting mechanism a bit tricky to master initially. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the top 5 best cat litter boxes of 2026. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect box for your furry friend. Remember, a clean litter box is essential for your cat's health and happiness. Check the links in the description below to find the best deals on these products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more pet care tips and reviews.